From potholes to road salt and ice, the winter months can be brutal on your car. Here are 4 Xperts tips to keep your vehicle running smooth. Remove salt to prevent rust. Give your vehicle a thorough car wash to remove road salt, making sure to get underneath the vehicle. Have your vehicle detailed. A clean, cared-for interior not only enhances your car's appearance, but will help maintain your car's value. Check the following fluids: engine oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, antifreeze coolant, and windshield washer fluid. Pay attention to levels, color, and viscosity. Check your tire pressure and wheel alignment. Cold weather can reduce tire pressure, and potholes can damage your vehicle's alignment, which can affect your steering, suspension, the durability of your tires, and the parts controlling them. Visit your local Xperts or check us out online at autobodyexperts.com for a free estimate.